Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Just how powerful is the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus? This is one of the most powerful gaming phones right now, and today we're pushing it to the absolute limit to find out how far mobile performance can really go. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. First, the hardware. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 Leading Edition. It's based on the same family as the Snapdragon 8 Ultra Gen 5, but uses premium silicone from the highest quality part of the wafer. It clocks up to an incredible 4.74 GHz and is specially validated to stay stable even under extreme stress. But raw power isn't enough. Red Magic combines liquid cooling with an active cooling fan and even brings fluorinated liquid technology from AI servers into the phone. This advanced cooling setup is designed to keep temperatures under control and let the chip run at full speed. Now for the real test. The room temperature was set to 25 degrees Celsius, brightness locked to 200 nits, awakening mode enabled, 978p resolution, and very high graphic settings. The map ran continuously during peak activity. The result? Over 30 minutes, the phone averaged 61 FPS while consuming just 7 watts of power. Temperatures reached 50.6 degrees Celsius on the body and 50.5 degrees Celsius on the screen. Even more impressive, frame stability was excellent, with a 1% low of 59.7 FPS. There was also something interesting happening behind the scenes. Thanks to the Hongsing R4 chip and Cube Sunny Day engine, the phone intelligently manages resources. During demanding moments, the Prime CPU core instantly jumps to its full 4.74 GHz to eliminate stutters. But keeping maximum clocks all the time would create too much heat. So during lighter scenes, the system drops the Prime core as low as 1.2 GHz, and GPU frequencies also scale down. This smart balancing lowers power usage and keeps temperatures in check. Here's the surprising part. The previous generation Red Magic 11 Pro phone, powered by the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, delivered almost the same frame rate and power numbers. So what actually makes this new model better? To find out, we made the test much harder. With all settings unchanged, we activated both suction connection and flying flute. Movement speed instantly doubled and system load skyrocketed. This test was brutal. In fact, most smartphones can't maintain full frame rates for even 5 minutes under these conditions. The previous generation Red Magic 11 Pro Plus still performed well, averaging 60.9 FPS at 11.9 watts. But after just 18 minutes, overheating protection kicked in and ended the test. And the temperatures were insane. Battery temperature hit 58 degrees Celsius, the body reached 57.9 degrees Celsius, and the screen climbed to 58.3 degrees Celsius. At those levels, shutting down was completely understandable. So could the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus survive? The answer was seriously impressive. At the same 18-minute mark, the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus maintained 60.6 FPS while drawing only 10.2 watts. That's a huge 14% reduction in power consumption compared to the previous generation. This extreme test revealed the true power of the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite. Even in the final stages, the Ultra version's Prime core was still hitting its full 4.74 GHz clock speed. The standard version, however, was already beginning to struggle as the workload increased. But hardware isn't the whole story. Software optimization plays an equally big role. The reason this generation uses 1.7 watts less power under heavy loads comes down to smarter, more precise resource management. The biggest upgrade is on the GPU side. Compared to the previous generation, the new Red Magic 11S Pro Plus achieves much higher GPU utilization. Interestingly, it's maintaining full frame rate gaming while running the GPU at lower frequencies. Lower frequencies means less heat, and that's where the magic happens. In performance tuning, tiny details make a huge difference. If 90% of the hardware is enough to deliver full frame rates, why push it to 100% all the time? The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus uses these fine adjustments to improve efficiency and sustain demanding games for much longer. The temperature difference is also impressive. At the 18-minute mark, the previous model's battery reached 58 degrees Celsius. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus was only at 54 degrees. GPU temperatures were also lower by an incredible 9 degrees. And it didn't stop there. Even after 18 minutes, the phone kept delivering full frame rate gameplay. Eventually, the battery hit its safety limit of 57 degrees Celsius, and the system instantly reduced GPU frequencies. As expected, temperatures quickly dropped. Once the battery cooled back to 55 degrees Celsius, full performance returned. Further testing showed the phone continuously switched between GPU downclocking, temporary frame rate reductions, and full-speed operation. At this point, smartphone performance is almost at its limit. Thanks to its highly refined scheduling system and industry-leading cooling, Red Magic has fully unlocked the potential of the 5th-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite. The result? It can maintain full frame rate gaming in around 99% of today's mobile games. Any major leap from here will mostly depend on future chip advancements. Now, let's talk about the extras. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus supports PC emulators and introduces a new Steam Direct Connect mode, letting you play PC games directly on your phone. The GameSpace plugin library is also packed with customization options for different types of games. Add in the dedicated touch control chip and shoulder triggers on both sides, and the gaming experience becomes incredibly hard to beat, both in performance and responsiveness. There's a reason for that. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus has already been chosen as the official gaming device for several major esports tournaments, including Crossfire, League of Legends, and top FPS, MOBA, and racing competitions. But these are just my first impressions. A full gaming comparison is coming soon, where we'll put it head-to-head against other flagship phones. If you don't want to miss that battle, hit subscribe and join our tech community. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone!